Hi everyone, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I'm very excited to be outside on this beautiful fall day, and I'm going to be upcycling this beautiful pumpkin that I used as a Halloween decoration into a Thanksgiving planter. Super fun and easy to do, and you can do it too. Thanks for joining me, and let's get started. Okay, so what you need is something to poke holes in your pumpkin, and I'm using a screwdriver and a hammer, but if you have a drill that would work too. Just depends on how soft or hard your pumpkin is. And then some little trimming shears for the plants or flowers that you find, and then your plants and flowers. So I picked all of these up just going on different walks around the neighborhood, and of course many of them are dead, which is a good thing. You don't really want to be taking live things because this is not going to be something you're watering. This is just a display item and it'll be beautiful. So, you know, anything that you come across that really catches your eye. So I actually did trim some lavender from our plant in the back. These are super colorful and red, and it has this fuzzy stem, which is really cool. And then I have some viburnum that have really cool dark and light leaves. The purples in there are really neat. And then some sedum, which gives it a little more flowery, but still not too summer flowery, more autumn flowery. And then of course some leaves that are nice and yellow and green and will give it a pop of color. Okay, so to plan out what your planter looks like, you could always just focus on the top of the pumpkin and then just poke holes and all of your plants will be coming up the top. But if you want something a little bit more designerly or looking a little bit more artistic, you could create a little line of holes in which you're going to be putting your flowers in, your leaves and your plants in. So it kind of becomes a little bit more organic or a little bit more abstract, which is what I'm going to do. So you just take your screwdriver and hammer it into your pumpkin. And now you've got a nice little hole. You've got a nice little hole right here where you can put one of your plants. So you're going to trim this so it actually fits how you'd like it to fit. So let's keep going. Okay, so this is how it turned out and I really love it and I can't wait to put it out on my front porch on display.